everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your places. Today in this video we are going to talk about the components of computer and the topic is the computer system. As we know, computer became an integral part of our life and it is indeed difficult to imagine a life without a computer or an electronic gadget. We know computers are used in a many different fields such as in a hospital, hospitality, business, finance, health, education. So today we are going to learn the components of computer. We all know the computer is basically divided into a two component, that is hardware and software. But if we will go through these components, we will get to know that computer is basically divided in more than different two components. So in this video we are going to talk about these components. So for better understanding, let's move to the computer. Computer is an electronic device which is used to process the data and give us an output. Computer is basically used for doing any task easily. For example, when you have to travel, you can use a computer to find the schedule of a bus, train or flight. You can even book the tickets online. Similarly, the computer or the school administration stores academic and attendance record of all the student on computer. This enables the administration to prepare their academic performance and other relevant activities. Today it is very difficult to find something that cannot be done with the help of computer. Computer controls the most of our activities. Hence, it is the most important to develop the knowledge of information and technology. In this chapter or in this video, we will discuss the computer system and its component. A computer system. Computer system is an electronic data processing machine which accepts data and instructions through input units. It has the ability to process data into meaningful information in the desired form. The coordination of computer devices that share a central storage device or central storage system and various peripheral devices such as printer, scanner or router is called a computer system. Each computer may be connected to a device that can operate independently and has the ability to communicate with the other external devices. It mainly consists of hardware and software components that work together. The main software component is itself an operating system that manages and provides services to other programs that can be run on a computer. The primary function of a computer system are: it holds all the other components together to protect the sensitive electronic part of computer or outside computer devices. It uses common storage for all or part of a program and also for all or part of data necessary for execution of the program. It executes user written or user designed program. It also performs user designed program manipulation, including arithmetical and logical operation. Now, components of computer system. A computer system consists of different components. First is main components. They are integral part of a computer like hardware, example CPU, that is central processing unit, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and etc. The computer will not able to work without these components. They are essential for the proper functioning of the system. Next is peripherals. They are optional components which are attached to a computer to enhance its performance. These include web camera, microphone, speaker, barcode, joystick, headphones, etc. Next is accessories. They are supporting components that make a system more versatile and useful. These include floppy disk, compact disk, DVD, pen drive, Bluetooth, dongle, etc. Next is a computer software. Computer software, or simply software, is any set of a machine readable instruction that directs a processor to perform a specific operation. It stores instruction electronically. It is often divided into two categories, that is system software and application software. Now first is a system software. It includes the operating system and all the utility that enable a computer to function. It is designed to operate the computer hardware, provide basic functionality indeed by the user, and to make available a platform for running application software. Now the second type of software is application software. Application software include programs that do the real work for the users. An application is a program or a group of programs that is designed for the end user. Application software includes database programs, word processor, web browser, spreadsheet, and etc. System software examples are like Android, Windows, iOS, Linux, and so many. And application software examples include MS Word, database program, web browsers, and Excel sheet. These all comes under a application software.